Hello, I'm Alexander Edoh of the YouTube channel Alex Edoh 2013. Today I'll be talking about Windows 8.1. Now, as you might remember, I did a similar video about Windows 8.1 in June 2014. However, I don't really feel that I explained the Windows 8.1 features properly during the video, so I'm clarifying on the points that I made during that video, as well as adding some other points that I should have made during the video. First of all, one of the points I did make in 2014 was that the account name on the start screen has moved 2 spaces left when Windows 8.1 itself was updated on the 4th of April of that year. Now, when the original Windows 8.1 update, codenamed Blue, was released a year earlier in 2013, the account name was in the very right, just like the original Windows 8 start screen when Windows 8 itself was released in 2012. Another point that I also made last year was that, like what I did, you can also make the start screen background the same as your desktop background. What I didn't say last year was that you can also make the background a different background, just like in Windows 8. You can also make it a moving background. The background moves automatically. What I didn't say in 2014 was that, just like I did, you can choose the background color and an accent color. They can be the same as each other, or just like I did, you can make them different to each other. Now, drawing back on another thing that I said in 2014, you might remember what I said about typing in a letter to search for a Windows application or program. Well, you can also click the search button on the top right hand corner of the start screen. Now, you notice I haven't said start menu. Well, this is effectively a start screen, not a start menu. A start menu is a user interface used in Microsoft Windows since Windows 95 and some other operating systems, whereas a start screen is the main area where you can access all your apps on Windows 8 and Windows 8.1. Anyway, in the start menu, you can open all your usual apps like you do with Windows 8. Now, there is another twist. You can set the start button at the start of the screen. They brought back the iconic start button, albeit with the fairly new Windows logo introduced in 2012. When you click the start button, it leads to the start screen. Oh, and if you are wondering where the start menu is, it is on the quick starter, which comes as standard on all Samsung and or other laptops. Some makes and models may vary. Finally, here comes my favorite bit, the settings. On Windows 8.1, the PC settings app comes as standard, whereas on Windows 8, the app wasn't seen. I don't know why. Anyway, you can do the usual Windows 8 stuff. Unlike Windows 8, on Windows 8.1 you can do a slideshow on the lock screen by choosing the folders that your images come from, like in the folder My Pictures, or any folder that you store your photos. Oh, what I nearly forgot to mention is that there is also a shutdown button with an on-off symbol near the top right hand corner of the start screen. You click that button and it gives you the options to shut down, restart your computer, put your computer to sleep. Oh, and you can wake it up by pressing the on button on your actual computer afterwards. By the way, the button works on all Windows 8.1 computers, including laptops. Oh, another thing I almost forgot to mention is that if you have a Windows update enabled on Windows 8.1 and Windows 7, you can upgrade to Windows 10, but remember, the free upgrade is only available for the first year. So if you want the new Windows 10, like I do, get it within the year. Now, as you might have noticed, again, I didn't use phrases like hurry, get Windows 10 now, or anything like that. That's because I don't want to end up rushing you into upgrading to an operating system you might not want in the end. It's okay if you don't want it. So if, like me, you want Windows 10, upgrade it during the year. But you have some time to think about upgrading to the new operating system. And another thing I almost forgot to mention is that there was also a name groups feature on Windows 8.1. So you can name different groups, different names. That, for example, I've named this one Microsoft Windows Applications, and there are different types of groups. The groups will grow larger when you download more apps. So you can choose appropriate names for the groups of apps. Like this one, I've named it Fresh Paint, Google, and More Applications. Anyway, and I've also named this one Other Essential Applications, because all my applications on my laptop are essential. Some of your applications on your laptop you might want to get rid of. If you want to get rid of an app that you really don't want, click uninstall, and also there is also a resize button. You can make it small, medium, and wide. Anyway, thank you for watching this video about Windows 8.1. I hope I clarified on the points that I made in 2014.